Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you how to create TAR file in your Windows PC without using any external software. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and create a new folder. And for that, go ahead and right click on your Windows PC environment, then go ahead and make sure you click on new, then go ahead and click on folder right here. The next thing you want to do is to enter the name of your folder. So I'm going to call this TAR file, hit enter. Just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and drag as many as possible files into this folder. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and simply drag this particular audio file in right here. So once we drag it in right here, so we have the folder right here. So if I open the file right here, so you have this particular element right here. We can drag as many as possible different things into this folder. For that, I'm going to go ahead and select this particular video right here, MP4. I will drag into this particular folder right here. So you can drag image, you can drag PDF or software or what have you. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to see how we can compress this file to TAR file. So for that, go ahead and right click on the folder, then proceed to compress to, then go ahead and choose TAR file. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be ready, just like what you see right here. Now you have your TAR file in this particular folder. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.